Alright, this is where the food truck used to be, on top of this platform. And now it is over there. And there used to be a bunch of concrete tables here. I only see the one buried. I see pieces of them all over. This is part of that platform. We even had all this stuff strapped down. Yeah, definitely took some damage. No idea what's going on the inside yet. We'll open that up a little later. But yes, it's an absolute mess out here. So this platform has barrels under it. It was designed to float up and down in the event of high waters. And you can see it floated all the way up. See where it ripped off the bark on the tree? So that's about 5.5 to almost 6 foot that this platform raised, which obviously wasn't even high enough to keep that food truck on it. So this was probably at least 6-7 feet underwater. Everything over here. Crazy. Look at all this, all this debris that washed up. Absolute mess. Look at this, even an old can, old pull tab can. How old is that thing? Huh. Yeah, we'll pick that up later. All this debris. Crazy. Debris everywhere. Whew, we got a mess to clean up. We'll get it done. This thing held up quite nicely, except for one little piece. The rest of it seems pretty good. Right here was a whole stack of all these couches, patio furniture. Huge stack of them. Right here just 2 days ago. All gone. No idea where they went. Another big tree that came down. Leaning over. Picked it right up. I'm gonna have to get the chainsaw out for that one. Little one. Part of an old boat that washed up right in the middle of the damn island. This was definitely not here before. And that random thing. All my plants got destroyed. Well pump missing.
So far this thing needs a battery, possibly a starter, depending on, that's why I might just pick one up.